The first question that comes to anyone's mind is that why do I need Git? So hold, I'll answer that by highlighting the area where there is a room for improvement. So let's start. I suppose you're a software developer, and my second assumption is for each new feature that you add to your project, you want to be absolutely sure that you don't lose the code that you just did. For that, you'll create a backup and save the copy of the project on somewhere else on the hard disk, right? This might end up creating a lot of backups, and in the end, you might exhaust the storage. So what did you do wrong? Actually, nothing. But you don't have some better mechanism. Most of the big projects are done in teams. Projects are divided into modules, and every team member have their own copy of the project for that specific module. And in the end, the team have to sit together and merge all of the modules code to form a single copy of the project. And I'm pretty sure you know code merging was never an easy thing. So let's move over to the solution. The solution is Git. Git is a version control system and it will give you three main benefits. You will not have to create manual backups, it will merge the code automatically, and you can build your online portfolio to improve your CV with some online Git repository hosting websites like GitHub or Bitbucket. Let's understand how Git works at a glance. Git tracks the changes you make to your files, and whenever functionality is done, you ask Git to store the current version of the project. For example, when login functionality has been completed, you ask Git to store the snapshot of the project for current moment of the time. So you have a record of what has been done, and you can revert to any specific version at any time. Another important thing to note is that Git does not create a new copy of the project. It only creates version snapshots that what has been changed. The second thing is that Git makes collaboration easier between developers. For example, if you put a closer look in this tree-like structure, it has branches. So you have one main branch and there are other secondary branches that exist because you want to keep the main branch of the code clean, and after the review of the code of the branches would get merged in the main branch. If I need to make a portfolio for my code projects, I can link my local Git repository with any remote hosting website like GitHub or Bitbucket. So, what does it take for up and running Git? You simply have to go to git-scm.com/downloads, select the desired platform, download Git installer and then install.